Three new criminal code bills focusing on justice rather than punishment were passed by the Lok Sabha on Wednesday. The Lok Sabha has taken up the Chief Election Commissioner and other election commissioners' appointment conditions of service and term of office Bill 2023 for consideration and passing. Minister of State for Atomic Energy and Space Dr. Jitendra Singh has said that the government has initiated steps to increase the nuclear power capacity from 7,480 MW to 22,480 MW by 2031-32. Coal Minister Prahlad Joshi launched the 9th round of commercial coal mine auctions in New Delhi yesterday. Sahitya Akademi has announced its annual Sahitya Akademi Award 2023 in 24 languages.